What happened here? What is up, guys? I'm going to be cutting. Today I done my first experiment right now. What is inside an animal cracker? Let's find out. Let's do it, guys. A little sharp knife. Whoa. It's only experiment half of it. Here's what's inside. White filling. Let's take up some of that. That one didn't work. Try a different one. Whoa. Let's bite into it. They're both pieces. Kind of like bread. You can fit them together. One of them's the bottom, one of them is the top. See? Fit it together, break it back. Fit it together, break it back. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. You're so good, though. Bye. Guys, here's the bag. You can find them at Food for Less. They look like this. Purple, and no, it's not purple. It's just animals, and it says cookies and galletitas. So I think these are like Spanish cookies. I don't know what the name. I can't tell what the name is. They folded it.